Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mathics. It's so good to see you. Today, we're going to have a different approach. I'm not just going to give you how to solve the question. Instead, I'm going to give you some hints to help you come up with the answer, okay? So the first one would be that this question is special, right? These numbers 25, 24 are not there by accident, right? If I change one of them even a little, if I make this 23, well, I cannot solve it myself. I don't know about you. Okay. So number two is that, well, to simplify this, you got to write this as square roots of this term, any number, I'm going to go with a squared. See, you're supposed to write it in this form, okay, so that you're able to simplify it, okay? Let's go with hint number 3, okay? My hint number 3 would be, okay, square root of 25 is 5, right? You could write this 5 as maybe 1 plus 4, maybe 2 plus 3. Okay, that's my third hint. Okay, maybe this is enough for you. If not, I'll have one more hint, okay, to help you come up with the answer. My last hint would be, where can I write it? Okay, this formula, you see, my last hint would be a squared plus b squared minus 2ab, okay, is a minus b squared. Okay, that's my last hint, okay? And this is what you need to solve this if you haven't already, okay? It's a good idea to pause it, see if you can actually come up with the answer yourself, okay? Now let's go and do this together, okay, to check our answers. See, square root of 25 could be positive or negative 5. Can I write negative 5 minus the square root of 24? And then all of it is square root. Can I write it like this? Sorry, like negative 5 minus something negative, and then a square. Can I do that? Of course not. So for that reason, I'm only going to accept positive 5. So I will write it as 5 minus, simplifying this, I could write 24 as 4 times 6. Square root of 4 times 6 will be, so square root of 4 multiply square root of 6. Square root of 4 is 2, okay? So I will write this as 2 square root of 6, okay? Now, you could also take a look, take a peek at what we have. See, I gave you a hint already. I'm going to go on and write 5 as 2 plus 3 minus 2 square root of 6. Okay, so the next step is the last hint that I gave you. I'm going to write this 2 as square root of 2 to the second power. Instead of 3, I'll have a square root of 3 to the second power minus 2 square root of 6. We know that it's square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Okay, so we got our formula here, right? It's exactly this. A being a square root of 2, B being a square root of 3. Okay, so I'm going to go straight and just write it like this. Okay. So it will be square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. Okay, we're writing this, right? To the second power. Okay. And remember, for all these parts, okay, I didn't write this is square, right? I didn't write it. So I'm going to go and add them now. So it would be this one will be like this one, this one, and then the last one, I'm going to put it here. So let's simplify this further. There will be two solutions, maybe a square root of 2 minus the square root of 3, or other way around, square root of 3 minus the square root of 2. Okay, so please let me know if this hinting system worked for you. If it did, I could make more videos like this, okay? So I hope you had fun doing this question. I did. So I'll see you in the next video.